Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. In this video we're gonna use Rufus tool. Just after downloading, launch the Rufus application, insert your USB drive and select it under the device menu. Choose disk or ISO image for boot selection after you download the version of Windows 11 as an ISO image file. Click the arrow next to select, switch it to download, and follow the prompts to choose your desired version, edition language, and architecture, like typically 64. Rufus will prompt you to select a download location. Choose one and save the file. Click Start, then confirm any desired customization and acknowledge the data deletion warning. Rufus will then copy the ISO to your USB drive. When the status says ready, choose to close Rufus. Then your USB is now ready to boot and install Windows 11. This tool simplifies the process by both downloading the ISO file and making the USB drive bootable in one go. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.